Is it possible for a country to be both ruggedly wild and elegantly charming, inviting you to explore its every secret? Yes, and that country is Scotland. From its bustling urban centers to its remote, windswept islands, Scotland offers an unparalleled blend of experiences. This Scotland travel video will showcase the Scotland top 10 locations that perfectly embody its diverse appeal. Get ready for an incredible exploration. Let's begin. Edinburgh. Our adventure begins in Edinburgh, Scotland's captivating capital, a city that truly makes an impression from the moment you arrive. Built on 7 ancient volcanic hills, every corner here tells centuries of history. The city center is wonderfully split. You've got the medieval Old Town, famously crowned by the majestic castle sitting high on its rock, and then the elegant 18th century New Town, with its perfectly straight, symmetrical streets. The Royal Mile connects the castle to Holyrood House Palace, a kilometer of cobblestones packed with historical tales. For the best view, climb Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano watching over the city. From its top, the entire city spreads out below, with the North Sea sparkling in the distance. Many say it's the most beautiful view in all of Scotland. Glasgow. Moving west from Edinburgh, Glasgow emerges. Once known for its industrial past, it now buzzes with creative energy. Its streets are alive with music, and huge, colorful murals turn the city into an amazing outdoor art gallery. You can explore the grand Gothic Cathedral of St. Mungo and the impressive Victorian Necropolis, which tells stories of Glasgow's rich history. The trendy West End is packed with cool vintage markets, cozy historic pubs, and the famous University of Glasgow. The River Clyde, once a busy shipbuilding artery, now reflects modern, futuristic buildings. The city has undergone a significant revitalization while retaining its inherent strength and welcoming character. Loch Lomond. Heading north from Glasgow, you'll find Loch Lomond, Britain's largest lake by surface area. It's like a giant mirror of water set between gentle hills and dramatic mountains. Its 38 islands are scattered across the surface like confetti, each one holding its own unique story. This beautiful loch marks the natural border between Scotland's lowlands and the wild Highlands, making it a perfect gateway to a different side of Scotland. It's a truly serene and picturesque spot, inviting peaceful moments amidst stunning scenery. If you're already loving this journey, give this video a thumbs up. Fort William. Continuing northward into the Highlands, Fort William is discovered, sitting right at the foot of Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the UK. This town is your perfect base for adventures that truly reach for the sky. Climbing Ben Nevis, which stands at 1,345 meters, is a real challenge, but it rewards climbers with breathtaking panoramic views that stretch all the way to the distant Atlantic Islands. Nearby, the spectacular Steall waterfalls plunge 120 meters into a valley that feels like it's straight out of a fantasy book. Fort William truly serves as a gateway to Europe's last wild frontier, promising thrilling outdoor experiences and incredible natural beauty. Glenfinnan Viaduct. Just a short distance from Fort William, the Glenfinnan Viaduct appears, a true jewel of the West Highland Line, one of the world's most spectacular railways. Completed in 1901, this impressive structure, with its 21 stone arches, blends perfectly with the surrounding landscape. It's super famous for its starring role in the Harry Potter films, adding a touch of movie magic to its already stunning presence. Below the graceful arches, Loch Shiel stretches out towards the horizon, framed by misty Highland peaks. It's a place where amazing engineering meets the wild, enchanting beauty of the Scottish Highlands, creating a truly iconic and memorable sight. Totally captivated by Scotland so far? Don't let this adventure end. Take a quick moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. So much more amazing travel content is heading your way. Let's keep exploring. Isle of Skye. Where Scotland meets the vast Atlantic, the Isle of Skye emerges like a vision from a Celtic dream. As the largest of the Inner Hebrides, it's a world of dramatic mountains and a coastline shattered by relentless waves. You can visit Neist Point, the island's westernmost tip, with its stunning cliffs watched over by a solitary lighthouse. The Old Man of Storr rises with rocky pinnacles like giant fingers reaching up, while the fairy pools are crystalline waterfalls that, according to legend, serve as bathing spots for Highland fairies. Skye isn't just a place, it's a powerful emotion that carves itself deep into your memory. Portree. Within the enchanting Isle of Skye, Portree awaits, often described as the most beautiful port in the Highlands. Its colorful houses, painted in bright hues, overlook a sheltered bay protected by surrounding mountains. Local restaurants here are famous for serving up delicious, fresh seafood. In the evening, when the town lights reflect softly in the water, Portree transforms into one of Scotland's most romantic spots. Ullapool. Further north on Scotland's west coast, Ullapool is discovered, a charming, small fishing port nestled on a fjord. Founded way back in 1788, it still looks like a classic Georgian village, with its white houses reflecting calmly in Loch Broom. It's famous for its amazing seafood, lively traditional music sessions in local pubs, and truly spectacular sunsets that paint the sky over the loch. Callanish Stones. Venturing to the Isle of Lewis in the Outer Hebrides, the mysterious Callanish Stones are encountered. These ancient stone circles, older than Stonehenge, hold a deep sense of enigma. 13 huge monoliths form a unique Celtic cross shape, guarding a Neolithic tomb. Every 18.5 years, a special full moon appears to walk along the southern horizon, a phenomenon that the ancient builders of these stones surely understood. The Callanish Stones stand as a powerful, silent testament to Scotland's incredibly distant past, inviting you to ponder the mysteries of a civilization long gone. Shetland Islands. High above the Scottish mainland, the Shetland Islands mark the final destination. This remote archipelago truly feels like Europe's wild northern frontier. These islands are a world of their own, known for their rugged, windswept landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and stunning coastline. You'll find unique Shetland ponies roaming freely, and the islands are a paradise for birdwatchers, with different seabirds nesting on the cliffs. It's a place of raw, untamed beauty and a profound sense of isolation, offering a truly unique and unforgettable experience at the very edge of the world. And so our incredible journey through Scotland's most captivating destinations draws to a close. While this video highlighted 10 amazing places, Scotland's vast beauty means countless more incredible spots await discovery. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. What other hidden gems in Scotland would you love to see featured in a future video? Share your thoughts and travel dreams in the comments. If you enjoyed this exploration, please hit that like button, share this video with your fellow adventurers, and make sure you subscribe for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep adventuring.